Welcome to the Wheaton Public Library. I am Betsy Adamowski, the Executive Director. The Library Board of Trustees and library staff are thrilled that the library is finally open full hours. It has been a long year and we have truly missed seeing you. We are proud that we successfully provided library service to you during each stage of the pandemic with 3 models of service: virtual, curbside, and grab and go. The library is safe for all of you to come back today and enjoy most of the services and materials again, all hours of operation. Following the CDC guidelines, masks are required for anyone who is not vaccinated.
Our holds are here for easy access. They're shelved by last name. You can pick up your hold and check it out at our checkout station. Our new checkout stations are very easy to use. There are 5 of them. We have one facing inward to use for the holds. We have one for wheelchair access, and the other ones anyone can use. They're easy to check out. You scan your library card, you put in your PIN, you scan your books, and then you get your receipt. They're very easy. You are stopped at $20 if you owe $20, and you can pay right at the self-checkout if you need to. Next, we have the welcome desk. You come here for library information. So how can I print something from my phone? Where's the coffee shop? Where are the biographies? How do I get to the children's department? That's what you would ask at the welcome desk, and they can help you find anything in the library. We can help you find things on this floor too. At the Ask Me desk, you come here for help with your library account. We'll give you a barcode number if you didn't bring your library card with you. We can place holds for you, and we can confirm due dates. You can let us know if you've lost or damaged an item. You can pick up a Museum Adventure Pass here, or you can let us show you how to use the catalog and My Account.
This summer in the library's Arts and Culture Center, you'll see more art and displays featuring local artists and some of our partner organizations. You'll also see that the Friends of the Wheaton Public Library Book Nook has reopened and will continue to take payments for items for sale via the donation box. Take a look and see what hidden treasures you'll find in the Book Nook. We also invite you to sign up for a summer reading challenge. You can do so on our website. Just signing up for the adult program enters you into a weekly raffle where we will be giving away 2 $20 gift certificates to downtown Wheaton. Our summer reading theme this year is Reading Colors Your World, and we are focusing some of our programs on Frida Kahlo in honor of the Frida Kahlo Timeless exhibition at the Cleve Carney Museum of Art at College of DuPage. We will also be having some outdoor programs in Adams Park and on the library's West Plaza, including our popular summer concert series on the park. We will still continue to offer virtual programs on Zoom, as our audience has really enjoyed the convenience of programming from the comfort of their homes.
Well, my name is Roberto Avila. I'm a chef and owner to Altiro Latin Fusion. We want to do new flavors in the coffees. We want to do churros, donuts, we want to do Nutella coffees. We're really happy to be here in Wheaton.
We're so happy to welcome everyone back to the Tech Center. All computers are now available and can be used for up to 3 hours a day. The scanners, fax machine, and low vision station are available as well. Check out our Tech-to-Go selection, including iPads and iPod Touches, GoPro cameras, projector, digital conversion equipment, Steam kits, snap circuits, and more. Finally, feel free to submit files for the 3D printer. You can watch it working anytime you're in the Tech Center.
Welcome to our teen space. Our goal for our space has always been for it to be collaborative and interactive, and we're really excited to welcome teens back into the library and reintroduce some of those elements. We have our chalk pillars, which allow for teens to answer monthly questions, put up their own artwork, and write each other notes. We have our new computer tables where we have added computers. We've also made the tables movable, so for distancing, they can keep themselves apart, but as we move forward, also they can move closer together for group projects, working together, gaming, all the fun stuff that they like to do. And that component moves over to our regular tables, which can also be moved about for flexibility, so students and teens can work by themselves or in groups together. And this summer, we are thrilled to be reintroducing some in-person programming outdoors. We have chalk art, book discussions. Our Teen Library Council will all get to meet in person, and we're really excited to be welcoming everybody back to the library. And our most important and biggest summer program is our summer reading program, where teens can read books to earn points and prizes, and we're really excited to have them partake in that, and we're really just so thrilled to have the library be lively again.
Hi, Hi, welcome back to the Youth Services Department of the Wheaton Public Library. We've been making a lot of changes to make sure everybody's comfortable and to have a lot of activities for our upcoming Summer Reading Challenge. In our early childhood area, we've transformed the play area so that we have a lot of non-touching, non-gathering activities, but it allows children to still participate with the library. We have scavenger hunts, we have a dot wall, we have follow the lines, so we have a lot of activities for them, as well as some take and make crafts that they can bring home and make on their own time at home. In the tween area, we've also rearranged so that our collection flows a little bit better, and there's a lot of space for activities and for tables as our students are finishing up the school year and going into next school year as well.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Simikopoulos, Adult Services Department Head. We're so pleased to welcome you back to the library. On the second floor, our study rooms are available for use by individuals or groups of up to 10 people. Tables and chairs are available throughout the floor, and the quiet reading room has reopened. You'll find enhanced display spaces throughout the first and second floors, and as always, our staff are here to help you discover your next great read, research that tricky question, or learn how to get ebooks on your smartphone. Whatever your question, we'd like to help. We look forward to seeing you soon.